Hey guys, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Hollabec, and I am super excited about today's video because I'm going to be sharing 3 super cute, super healthy Halloween snacks. So let's get started. You'll need some skewers, some large marshmallows, some cantaloupe, fresh strawberries, and some black writing icing. So the very first thing we're going to do is take out some marshmallows. So I'm going to be making 3 skewers, so I'm going to need 6 marshmallows. The first step is to draw on our cute little ghost faces, and you can just have fun with this. Make them cute and quirky. Let's cut our strawberries. So we're just gonna cut the tops off, and we'll need 4 per skewer. And the final step is to assemble our skewers. So you can do this in any particular way, but I'm gonna show you how I do mine. So I do strawberry first, and one of my little ghost marshmallows, and then another strawberry, 2 cantaloupes, a strawberry, another little ghost marshmallow, and I end it with another strawberry. And look at how cute that is. My word, adorable. This next recipe is super fun but super easy. All you really need is a sweet potato and a knife. So this one's kind of based off the idea of smiley fries, except they're gonna be jack-o'-lanterns and it's sweet potato. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is peel off the skin of your sweet potato. And when you pick your sweet potato, you're gonna wanna make sure to pick the roundest one possible. If you get a weird shaped one, it's probably not gonna work as well. Just saying. Once your sweet potato is peeled, you'll then slice it into round shapes. You want to do your best not to slice it too thick, but you also don't want it too thin either. So mine are just under 1 centimeter width. So once you have all your rounded shapes, then comes the fun part. Then we get to cut the faces. And you can have as much fun with this as you want. So once all of your sweet potatoes are cut, then you need to bake them. So I'm gonna spray a baking sheet with olive oil. And once I get my little jack-o'-lanterns in there, then I spray the top of those with more olive oil. And then I stick them in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about a half hour. This one's going to be as easy as the ghost skewers. So you'll need an orange, and what we're going to do is turn this into a little jack-o'-lantern. So we're going to cut the top off, and this is where the really hard part is going to come in. So you're going to take a spoon, and you're going to work it between the fruit and the rind, and just keep gently working it around until you separate it. And what you're trying to do is hollow out the orange, and it's going to be messy. So eventually you're going to get your orange all hollowed out. So then at this point you carve a cute little face into it. And you'll need to be gentle because the rind is going to be super soft and flexible. So it's going to be hard to work with. And there's our finished boy. And the last step is to fill it with our mixed fruit. So I have some raspberries and some blueberries here. And here is the finished product. I love this one. It's so cute. Alright guys, but that's all I have to share with you today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Of course, if you did, leave me a thumbs up. I love seeing those. They make me so happy. It makes me feel like I'm doing a good job. If you haven't already, of course, subscribe to my channel. I still have a big goal to hit before the end of this year. Will we hit it? I guess only time will tell. But you can help, so please subscribe. And that being said, guys, I will see you the next time around.